Welcome to King Richard's Food and Drink Reviews. By request from Maddie, my coworker, we have a McFlurry, Oreo McFlurry versus a Dairy Queen Blizzard McFlurry. Dairy Queen Blizzard. So we'll see which one tastes better. The McFlurry came in this little box, recyclable box. Here's the McFlurry, McDonald's McFlurry, giving it a taste. Okay. Got that texture, I got that taste in my mouth. Next we'll taste the Blizzard. The Blizzard comes in a better cup. It is smaller than the McFlurry, but we'll give it a taste. The Blizzard. You know what? I think the McFlurry's better. This Blizzard here doesn't have much Oreo taste to it. There's the McFlurry. It's nice and solid. We'll give it one more taste. Back to the McFlurry. Yeah, the McFlurry wins hands down. Well, the McFlurry cost $3.99 and the Blizzard cost $5.29. So not only was the McFlurry better, it was cheaper. The only drawback is McDonald's only has 3 flavors of Flurries, while Dairy Queen actually has about 18 different flavors of Blizzards. Now you know. Have a great day.